Hello, welcome back. Let's do this kinetic typography in After Effects where each letter will be dragged upwards so that an outline version of the letter will also be dragged upwards from the bottom, and then each letter will be positioned at the center. Let's create a new composition. 1080p 60 fps 30 seconds. Click on OK. Click on the type tool. Type anything, for example hello, and then you can adjust the font type, the size, and the kerning by dragging this. Centerize the text by right clicking on the text layer. Transform center anchor point, right click on it again, transform center in view, just like this. Let's animate the letters. Go under the text layer and then click on the arrowhead for animate, and then click on position, and then go under the range, select the one, and then change the position to, let's say, 270. And then we get to animate the letters. Let's say if you want the letters to be dragged and then the text will be revealed at 3 seconds. Drag the time indicator to, click on the stopwatch for start, and then drag the time indicator to 3 seconds, and then increase the starting amount to 100%. And then click on the stopwatches for end, offset, and position. And then, let's say, 1 frame before 4 seconds, you click on the diamonds again to make keyframes. And then at 4 seconds, change the ending value to 0%, and then the offset to -100, and then the position to negative, regardless of the Y position value. And then we're going to make the letters disappear, and then it will be done for 3 seconds. Drag the time indicator to 7 seconds, 3 seconds after, and then change the offset to 0%. And then you're done. Okay, select these. Hold the shift key on your keyboard, select the keyframes, and then we can right click on it, and then head over to assistant, and then click on easy ease, just like this. And then you're done. Let's create an outline version. Copy and paste this, and then at 4 seconds, drag the bottom layer so that it starts at 4 seconds, exactly 4 seconds, and then to make the color of the text disappear, click on this, and then drag this so that we have the outlines for the text. Afterwards, we get to pre-compose each text layer. Right click, pre-compose, OK. Right click, pre-compose, OK. We get to mask it now. Click on the rectangle tool, and then click on the grid, and then select this area, for example. We get to do the same type of mask by copying this, Ctrl C, and then paste it, Ctrl V for this one, and then you're done. Do this every 8 seconds. Copy and paste this, and then drag it until it starts at 8 seconds, just like this. Do this every 8 seconds, and then it may turn into this. Oh yeah, fancy. Every letters have now been dragged upwards, and then they form this looping kind of effect, like in a slot machine. That's how you can do this kinetic typography in After Effects. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!